Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make OnlyFans in Infinite Craft. First of all, find a flat space in your world where you want to build. You will need room to design a building that fits your theme. Here's how to make OnlyFans in Infinite Craft. Now add water plus water, lake plus water, occasion plus water, water plus wind, earth plus fish, earth plus wind, earth plus wave, earth plus water, dust plus oil, plant plus sand, cactus plus cactus plus sperm, fire plus water, earth plus steam, fire plus sand, fire plus mood, fire plus glass, brick plus plant, lens plus water, wall plus water, fire plus microscope, dam plus steam, fire plus virus, flu plus power, come plus influencer, that means OnlyFans. And there you have it, a cool OnlyFans inspired build in Infinite Craft. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe for more creative gaming tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.